Hello and welcome to another new episode of the Amazon DIY from PAS. Today we're going to be looking into how give an authorization from your Seller Central account to a VA, virtual assistant, or an Amazon agency. In order to do that, you need to log into your Seller Central standard procedure. So you go to sellercentral.amazon.com. From here, you type standard information. Let's go with an OTP. Okay, 985251. All right, so you are in your Seller Central, and what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and from the settings you go to user permissions. At user permissions, you will see anybody who's authorized. Usually, you will see a developers app here, and then people who are allowed to have an access to your account for the various management position. And what you want to do, you go to name, you put Ruben A or whatever is in your case the name, and the email address. In this case, is info@pasagency.com, and you send an invite. Once this happens, the recipient will receive an email for an authorization. They will have to log in into the specific email that it was assigned to, and they will have an access to your user permission. But that's not all, because with that, you're only giving them an access without any permission. So in order to give the permissions, once the recipient accepted your invite, you will have an option right next to it as a manage permission. So you come to manage permissions, and if it's an agency or VA where you basically trusting the whole business management, majority of these tabs here need to be in blue, accepted, or view edit, or either admin. In our case at PAS, when we do full management, besides a few mentions like in loan registrations, upgrade and downgrade, which we do not use, the rest, it's nice to have an admin access so we can manage and proceed and oversee the all aspects of your business, or view and edit for that matter. It doesn't really make any difference. So except the loan registration and account upgrade and downgrade, the rest of them should be either view edit or admin status for us in order to operate. And you can read one by one what each means, and this is just this different aspect of the Amazon Seller Central that are under management. As you can see, they're given also brief descriptions, pricing reports, performance, and then individually what each is. The compliance center is a must. The settings, again, if you are going to ask the VA or the agency to do some of these actions, which in most cases you do, and especially with the PAS agency case where full management, all of this needs to be set as admin or at least view and edit. And then once that's done, you click continue. And you will see that the ones that you've changed are marked green, and continue once more. And you should be all good to go, and your virtual assistant or the agency will have the full access or the permitted access to the account of your management. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for viewing, and I'll see you next time.